In this video, I'll show you how to delete a game or uninstall it. I mean, it's the same thing. If you have multiple games you'd like to delete all at once, so it's faster, you need to go on the cogwheel, select settings, then over here go down and select storage. Over here, go on the right side, select games and apps. And from here, well, I only have 2 games on my PS5, but you can select them with the check mark, and once you're done, click the delete button here and it will delete every game you have selected. Okay, if you simply want to delete one game at a time, or let's say you downloaded one and you hate it, okay, on the main menu screen here, go over the game you want to delete. Let's say it's this one. Press the option button on your controller once you're over it. And here you're gonna have the option delete. Okay, click delete. You're gonna have to confirm, okay, wait, and the game is now gone and you have more space on your console. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get a new controller or maybe other accessories like a controller charger from Amazon. You also support my channel by doing so, and I'll see you in the next video.